Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica. In this video, we deal with the idiom not going to fly, giving you some helpful examples to use in the workplace and in social situations. The meaning of this idiom is to be unlikely to succeed or to be unacceptable. Since COVID, Isabel has got very used to working from home and quite enjoys it. We are due to go back to the office soon, but I think I'll ask if I can work from home permanently. I'm not sure it will fly though. Here are some further examples, starting with social situations. The parent is very unhappy with their kid. Wait until your father hears about this. What you did is not going to fly. He's having such a good time out with his friends, but he doesn't want to arrive home too late. It won't fly with my wife if I come home very late. I better keep an eye on the time. The government are not moving on their hard stance against lowering taxes, and the public have acted. What those politicians are doing won't fly with us. We'll stand together. Here are some further examples for professional situations. Their busiest time of year is Christmas time. I'd love to get a few days annual leave so I could get some shopping done, but it won't fly because we're flat out. Management are clamping down on employees as work has been well below par lately. This is not going to fly anymore. Any employee that turns in below standard work is to receive a verbal warning from here on. The manager made an error which ended up costing the company thousands. However logical my explanation might be, I know it just won't fly with management. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to ask.